today I'm going to show you two apartments in the same building. They are really clean and quite affordable. So let's go. So this apartment location, it's only 8 minutes to Pop Street, but it's really like kind of a local area. It's really difficult to find. A bit difficult. If you got the Google map, it's okay. And anyway, so as you guys can see here, this is the parking area. When you go inside the apartment, it's really nice and clean, but just a little bit hard to find this apartment. But if you got the Google map, it's easy. Anyway, this is the parking area. It's free parking and also it's free Wi-Fi. And this is the, as you can see here, it's like a mini park here. You can exercise around here. It's really nice. It's kind of a local apartment, but it's really unique. And it's quite affordable as well. It has so many rooms, have upstairs, the top floor, second floor, and the bottom floor. But today I'm going to show you only 2 ground floors. So I'm going to show you this one. So as you walk into the apartment, this is the hallway. You can put some shoes here, and this is the living room. It's huge, it's really big. It has a table, it has 2 chairs and a fan here. It's so unique here. As you can see here, and I walk in, it smells so much wood. It just smells so nice. It smells like I'm in sauna. It smells so nice. Anyway, and this apartment is a studio, and this is the living room area, and this is the bedroom. It's quite unique if you guys like kind of a laid-back lifestyle and kind of like a wood style like this. Is so unique. This apartment is right for you. It has a double bed. Oh, the bed is super comfortable. The bed is really comfortable. The bed is similar to my apartment. It's really comfortable. And it has an aircon as well. And this is a wardrobe. And this is a wardrobe. And now I'm going to show you the kitchen area. It also has a kitchen and have a few cupboards, a sink, and it's really clean. This apartment is really clean and it's quite unique. And this is the bathroom. The bathroom is really huge, even have the bathtub. Oh, so nice. And it has a shower. I'm not sure it has hot water, but it has a shower. And it has a mirror, a sink, a Western style toilet. The bathroom is huge though. It's really big. And the apartment is so unique. So this apartment is quite affordable. It's quite cheap, not like affordable, it's quite cheap. Anyway, now I'm going to show you the second apartment. It's over there. And this apartment is, the owner charge you for the water only $3 per person. If you only one person, only $3. And it's unlimited water. But if you are 2 person, it will be $6. So basically $3 per person. And this is the second one. As you walk in, it's similar style. And smells so much wood here. It's really nice, just so unique. I do like the apartment. It's kind of wood style like that. It's kind of classic but nice. So this is another studio. It has sofa. Let me see, sofa comfortable or not? Oh, the sofa super comfortable. You can see it. It's really comfortable. It has sofa, a table, a small table, a light, and a few, you see the orange light. It's quite cozy, and the fan, big fans here. It has a table, 2 chairs, and a unique mirror with a small wood chair, and some few cupboards here. So this is the living room area. You can see here it's quite big. When you walk in, it's quite big actually. And this is the kitchen area. But first, let's go to check out the bedroom. So this is the bedroom. It has an aircon, a fan, and a double bed. I think the bed is comfortable like the same one. Yeah, very nice, comfortable. It's so important that you stay somewhere that have the bed is comfortable. This is important for me or important for us, because if you stay somewhere that the bed is not comfortable, it's not good, because you sleep every day. And this is a pew cupboard and a really nice desk, nice kitchen board, and this one a few cupboards and a sink. Yeah, it's really quite unique. I really do like this apartment. It's quite unique. The location is a bit difficult to find. If you don't have any, you need to find it on Google Maps. Otherwise, it's so difficult to find it. And this is the bathtub. It has a shower as well. I'm not sure it has hot water too. It has a Western style toilet. And it has a mirror, a sink, and a few cupboards here. It's quite unique here. And this is the kitchen area. So check one more time. This is the living room, the studio. Anyway, so for the two apartment, for the first apartment, it's $170 per month. And the second one as well, it's $170 per month. And yeah, the apartment is really nice. It's quite unique. And if you stay in here, most people here are only local people. And you can meet up with local people, or if you want, you can get a bike to go into Pub Street, only 8 minutes away. And if you guys are interested in this apartment, you can call directly to the owner. And yeah, that's really good. And for electricity, it's only 25 cents per unit. And Wi-Fi, it's also free. So it's really good. So you just need to pay for the apartment $170 per month, plus the water $3 per person, and the electricity, that's it. It's quite nice. It's really good. And if you're interested, you can call to the owner straight away. And yes, that's it. And anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you guys like it, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.